What if I told you that the breakfast you ate this morning could be sabotaging your entire day and possibly your long-term health? You're about to discover the 6 worst foods for breakfast that millions of people eat every single day, completely unaware of the damage they're causing. Stay until the end because I'll reveal the shocking truth about one healthy breakfast food that's actually worse than eating candy. Welcome back to Health Morph, where we transform your health one fact at a time. Today, we're diving deep into the dark side of breakfast foods. You've been told breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but what happens when you're starting your day with foods that spike your blood sugar, crash your energy, and set you up for weight gain? We'll expose these breakfast villains hiding in plain sight, explain exactly. Number 6, deep-fried breakfast foods. Starting at number 6, we have deep-fried breakfast foods. I'm talking about donuts, fried pancakes, hash browns, and those tempting breakfast sandwiches from fast food chains. Here's what's happening inside your body when you eat these first thing in the morning. Your digestive system has been resting for 8 to 12 hours. It's like a gentle engine that needs to warm up slowly. But when you dump a pile of fried, greasy food into your stomach, it's like flooding that engine with oil. These foods contain trans fats and inflammatory oils that force your body to work overtime just to digest them. Instead of giving you energy, they're stealing it. The worst part? The inflammatory compounds in fried foods don't just affect your morning, they stay in your system for hours, contributing to joint pain, brain fog, and that sluggish feeling that follows you all day. Number 5, packaged fruit juices. That innocent-looking glass of orange juice sitting in your refrigerator, it contains more sugar than a can of Coca-Cola. I'm not exaggerating. 8 ounces of commercial orange juice has 21 grams of sugar. That's over 5 teaspoons of pure sugar hitting your bloodstream all at once. But here's the kicker. When you eat an actual orange, the fiber slows down sugar absorption. With juice, all that fiber has been stripped away, leaving you with concentrated fructose that hits your liver like a sugar bomb. Your pancreas goes into overdrive pumping out insulin, your blood sugar skyrockets, and within an hour, you crash harder than before. Number 4, instant noodles and processed foods. One serving of instant noodles contains 1,820 milligrams of sodium. That's nearly your entire daily limit in one meal. Your blood pressure spikes, you retain water, and you feel bloated and uncomfortable. But the sodium is just the beginning. These foods are loaded with preservatives like BHA and BHT, chemicals that extend shelf life but may increase cancer risk. The manufacturing process strips away every natural nutrient, leaving behind empty calories that your body can't use for energy. It's like putting sugar water in your car's gas tank. It might fill the tank, but your engine won't run properly. Your body actually has to use its own stored vitamins and minerals to process these foods. They're not just nutritionally empty, they're nutritional vampires, sucking nutrients out of your system. Number 3, sugary cereals and cornflakes. Number 3 is the breakfast aisle's biggest lie: sugary cereals and, yes, even healthy cornflakes. The cereal industry has spent billions convincing us that these colorful boxes contain nutritious breakfast options. It's one of the most successful marketing scams in food history. Most popular cereals contain 10 to 15 grams of sugar per serving. But here's the dirty secret. The serving size on the box is tiny. Most people pour double or triple that amount, meaning you're eating 20 to 30 grams of sugar before you even add milk. That's like having 7 teaspoons of sugar for breakfast. Even cornflakes, marketed as wholesome and natural, are essentially corn that's been processed beyond recognition, stripped of nutrients and shaped into flakes. They have a glycemic index similar to pure sugar, meaning they spike your blood sugar just as fast as eating candy. Number 2, white bread and bakery items. White bread is wheat that's been stripped of its bran and germ, the parts that contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. What's left is pure starch that converts to sugar in your bloodstream faster than table sugar itself. The glycemic index of white bread is actually higher than a Snickers bar. But bakery muffins are even worse. That large blueberry muffin contains 400 to 600 calories and 30 to 40 grams of sugar. It's basically a cupcake masquerading as breakfast food. The combination of refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy oils creates the perfect storm for weight gain and metabolic dysfunction. When you eat white bread or pastries for breakfast, you're setting yourself up for intense hunger within 2 hours. Your body burns through the simple carbs quickly, leaving you with no sustained energy and fierce cravings for more refined carbs. And the number one worst breakfast food is leftover pizza and cheese-heavy foods. I know this might surprise some of you, but hear me out. That slice of leftover pizza contains the worst combination possible: refined carbs from the crust, processed meats loaded with sodium nitrates, inflammatory oils, and processed cheese. It's like a symphony of metabolic destruction. A single slice contains 600 to 800 milligrams of sodium, and most people eat 2 to 3 slices. That's more sodium than you should have in an entire day, consumed before 9 a.m. The processed cheese contains inflammatory compounds and artificial additives that trigger inflammatory responses throughout your body. Meanwhile, the refined flour crust spikes your blood sugar just like white bread, but with added grease that slows digestion and makes you feel sluggish for hours.
The key is understanding that breakfast should provide 3 things: protein for sustained energy, fiber for stable blood sugar, and healthy fats for brain function and hormone production. Now, I promised healthy alternatives, so let's do that. Instead of fried foods, try Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. The protein keeps you full, the berries provide antioxidants and natural sweetness, and the nuts add healthy fats and crunch. Instead of fruit juice, eat the whole fruit with a glass of water. You'll get the vitamins, fiber, and satisfaction without the sugar bomb. Or try vegetable juice with lower sugar content. Instead of instant noodles, make overnight oats with chia seeds and fresh fruit. Prep 5 servings on Sunday, and you'll have convenient, nutritious breakfasts all week. Instead of sugary cereal, try steel-cut oats topped with cinnamon, nuts, and a small amount of fresh fruit. The complex carbs provide steady energy without the sugar crash. Instead of white bread, choose sprouted grain bread or make avocado toast on whole grain bread. Add an egg for extra protein, and you've got a complete breakfast. Instead of leftover pizza, make a vegetable omelet or scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. It takes 5 minutes and provides protein and nutrients your body actually needs. Here's what most people don't realize. Your breakfast choice sets the tone for your entire day. When you start with foods that spike and crash your blood sugar, you're more likely to make poor food choices at lunch and dinner. It's not a lack of willpower, it's biology. Your brain also functions better with stable blood sugar. That mid-morning brain fog, difficulty concentrating, and irritability, it's often directly related to your breakfast choice 3 hours earlier. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, avoid these 6 worst breakfast foods completely. Replace just one of your current breakfast habits with a healthy alternative. Track how you feel, your energy levels, your mood, your hunger throughout the day. I guarantee you'll notice a difference, and when you do, come back and tell us about it in the comments. What breakfast food were you surprised to see on this list? What healthy swap are you going to try first? If this video helped you understand why your mornings might be starting off wrong, smash that like button and subscribe to Health Morph for more health transformations. Ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Your health journey starts with your next meal. Make it count. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive into the 5 best breakfast foods that will supercharge your metabolism and give you all-day energy. Until then, keep morphing your health one choice at a time.